Good morning and welcome to Lakeland Home Innovations Showroom here in Heckmondwike. I'm just going to demonstrate a couple of our products in the showroom for you. So up on the back wall, here's one of our awnings that's made in-house. It's the Coniston, and this one is 3.5 meters projection. It's extremely large and can shade a large area. While we wait for that to come out, underneath is one of our Patio roofs, all made from extruded aluminium, so obviously very high corrosive resistance. And under there are 3 other awnings. We also have automated lights controlled by remote control, so they can be turned on and off. And then also a patio heater for when the weather gets a little bit chilly. On the other side of the room, we've got one of our roller garage doors, again fully automated by remote control. This one's fitted with an optional LED courtesy light on the outside and polycarbonate windows. For more information on our products, please visit our website at www.lakelandhomeinnovations.co.uk. Thank you.